For our challenge questions in lesson 5.5, find the sum. We're adding two different mixed numbers or mixed fractions. So we have 2 and 3/4 plus 1 and 1/2. Now there's different steps that you're going to have to do. One, you can add the whole numbers first. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now we can go 3/4 plus 1/2. Well, the denominators are different. So I need to change 1/2 so that the numbers are the same. So 1/2 is the same as 2/4. That's an equivalent fraction. So now I go 3/4 plus 2/4 is 5/4. So I'm not just going to go 3 and 5/4. 5/4 is still an improper fraction. That would be 1 whole and a quarter. So now I have 3 plus 1/4, or 1 and a quarter. Now I can go to 3 plus 1 is 4 and a quarter. If I look at this on here, I've got 2 and 3/4. Or if I do the 2 plus 1, gets me to 3, and then I have another 3/4, and I'm going to add a half. A half is 2/4, 1, 2. So my answer is going to be 4, and this is the 1/4 mark. So our second challenge. At a class pizza party, Marie ate 3 and 5/6 slices of pizza. Jacob ate 2 and a quarter slices. How much pizza did they eat together? So we're going to be adding these. 3 and 5/6 plus 2 and 1/4. Now I can add the whole numbers. So I've got 5, and then I'm left with 5/6 plus 1/4. Now these numbers are different. If I want to find a common denominator between these two. So 6 can be 6, 12, 18, 24. 4 can be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. If you just multiply 6 times 4, you get 24, but 12 might actually be a little bit easier. So if I multiply this by 2, this makes 10/12. And if I multiply this one by 3, then I'm going to get 3/12. This 10/12 plus 3/12 is 13/12, which is equal to 1 and 1/12. Now I have 5 plus 1 and 1/12. That would be 6 and 1/12, which is the correct answer, C. Be careful that you don't just add the denominators. You don't go 6 plus 4 equals 10. And be careful that you're not just like multiplying. If you say, well, cross multiply, if you have like the 5/6 times 1/4, 4 times 5 is 20, 6 times 1 is 6, and then multiply both the bottom numbers, you can get 26/24. This is still technically correct, but then it's going to be more difficult to use. That's 1 and 2/24, and you'll have to reduce that to 1 and 1/12.